Hello, my name is teacher. What is your name?
Hello, my name is Farha.
Can you spell it for me, please?
Yes, Farha, that is Farha.
And what's your name?
Hello, my name is Sahira.
Can you spell it for me, please?
Sure, it's Sahera.
Thank you. Where are you from, Farha?
I'm from Birmingham.
And how long have you lived here?
I have been living here for 2 years.
And where are you from, Sarah?
I'm from Newcastle.
And how long have you lived here?
I have been living here for 5 years.
Okay. Can I see your ID, Farha?
Yes, of course. Here it is.
Thank you. And can I see your ID, Sarah?
Sure. There you go.
Thank you. Now we are going to ask each other some questions. I want you to find out from each other about what kinds of presents people give each other in your country and when you give them. You have 2 minutes for this.
People in my country really like giving and receiving gifts. In fact, it is one of the most important traditions in my country. Usually chocolates, flowers, household appliances, dinnerware sets are the most popular types of gifts in my country. What about you? Of course, people in my country like giving gifts. On many occasions, we do give gifts to each other. So gifts like cards, card flowers, books, jewelry are the most popular kind of gifts that we give to adults, whereas chocolates and toys are the most popular kind of gifts that we give to children. So on what occasion do people give gifts in your country? People give gifts or presents in my country on various occasions. For example, birthdays, wedding, engagement parties. Sometimes people give gifts to somebody to show their love and appreciation. Is this the same in your country? Yes, this is. We give gifts on birthday, wedding events, even at the birth of a newborn, of a friend or relative. It is like a tradition in our country. Even when we go to a hospital, we bring gifts for the one who visits. Really? These are also true in my country. I remember 2 weeks ago I visited my aunt in the hospital and I took fruits for her. When did the last time you gave somebody a gift? Oh, I think it's last week when I was invited for a dinner party by a friend. I took a fruit cake for them. Do you like taking gifts when you visit someone in their home? Yes, I do. I think it strengthens the bonds of relationship with our friends and family. It makes our relationship with our friends and family stronger. Yes, it is. Giving gifts is the most important part of a human interaction. That's why I spend a lot of time to find the best gift for people, as it means a lot to me. Do you enjoy spending a lot of time to buy gifts for people? Yes, I do. I think if I wish to give somebody a gift, I would look for a gift that would let them know that I pay attention and can be a reflection of love and appreciation for them. So I really enjoy looking for gifts for people.
Thank you. Now in this part of the test, you are each going to talk for about 1.5 minutes. While you are talking, your partner listens to you. Then your partner asks you 3 questions at the end. Sahira, you are going to ask Farah about the kinds of things that make you laugh and the people who make you laugh. Farah, you are going to tell Sahira about the last time you had a meal with a group of friends. Say where you went and what you liked about going there. Now you have 1 week to think about what you are going to say. You can make notes if you wish. Here's some paper and the pencils. If there is anything you don't understand, please ask me.
Okay.
Sahira, are you ready?
Yes.
Please tell Farah about the kinds of things that make you laugh and the people who make you laugh. Farah, listen and ask 3 questions at the end.
Alright. Almost everything makes me laugh, particularly when I see or hear something really funny. So there are quite a lot of things that make me laugh. Also, I enjoy being with people who make me laugh. Usually my family or friends make me laugh. When they share funny jokes with me, I end up laughing. You know, laughter is contagious, so sometimes I laugh when I see other people laughing and I don't exactly know the reason. Besides, I watch comedy movies and stand-up comedy shows and they make me laugh a lot. In addition, I always grab the opportunity to laugh in my day-to-day life because I think in any situation at any given time, having a good laugh can lighten your mood. So I think it's really important.
Okay, Farah, please ask Sahira your questions now.
Okay. Do you like making other people laugh? Of course I do. Especially if they are my family or friends, and when they feel low, I really make them laugh.
Do you think it's important for people to laugh?
Yes, it is. As it says, laughter is the best medicine. So I think people should laugh often and live their full life fully.
Who is your favorite comedian?
Rowan Atkinson. He is known as Mr. Bean. He doesn't talk much, but the way he acts and show his activities, it's really amazing. No wonder why he's the best actor in the world.
Okay, Farah, are you ready?
Yes.
Please tell Sahira about the last time you had a meal with a group of friends. Say where you went and what you liked about going there.
Around 2 weeks ago, my friends and I went for shopping in Oxford Street, which is known to be the most popular shopping street in Europe. Then we decided to go for a meal. We were pretty much hungry, so when we saw an Italian restaurant nearby, we could not stop the urge to eat over there, because some of my friends and I never tried Italian food before. I remember the name of the restaurant is Bella Italia. The restaurant offers a reasonably priced tasty menu with a wide range of mouth-watering options, so we had too many choices to choose from. We did not know most of the dishes, yet ordered whatever we liked. We ordered soup and pasta first, then we ordered gelato, which is a frozen dessert, kind of like an ice cream. It was very delicious, so we ended up having full 3-course Italian meal. I liked the pasta most. It had a really finger-licking and satisfying taste. The restaurant was really huge and well organized. The food was well prepared, so this was the best meal I ever had.
Sahira, are you ready?
Yes.
Please ask her your questions now.
Okay. You said you went with your friends. So how many friends went with you?
Oh, there were altogether 6 of us. 2 of them were my childhood friends.
How much did the food cost?
It wasn't much, only £27 and 50 pence.
Who paid for the food?
Oh, we all chipped in.
Thank you. Now in this part of the test, you are going to listen to 2 recordings and answer some questions. You had 2 messages about 2 different types of transports. What type of transport is each message about? A plane, a train or a car?
Recording 1.
This is a message for Mrs. Susie Thompson regarding your flight FA216 to Edinburgh on 19th of September. Unfortunately, there's a change to the departure time, which will now be at 15:40 and not 16:30 as previously informed. If you have any difficulty with this new departure time, please call the ticket office as soon as possible. We apologise for making this alteration, which is beyond our control. We remind you that you can only check in 1 piece of luggage. Also remember that we have reduced rates for parking at the airport when you book online.
Recording 2.
Hello, this is a station announcement. Mainline Rail is very sorry to announce that the 9:30 service from Cambridge to Stansted Airport is running approximately an hour late. This service is now expected at 10:30. In view of this delay, We would like to offer all ticket holders a free hot drink, which you can obtain from the cafeteria situated on platform 1. We apologise again for the delay to this service, which is because of the bad weather. That is the Stansted Express service, which is running an hour late.
Thank you. Saira, in the first recording, what type of transport is the message about?
A plane.
Thank you. In the second recording, what type of transport is the message about? A plane, a train or a car?
A train.
Thank you. Now listen again and answer these questions. In the first recording, what is the new departure time of the flight and what must the woman do if she has a problem? Sarah, in the second recording, what time will the train arrive and why is there a delay?
Recording 1.
This is a message for Mrs. Susie Thompson regarding your flight FA216 to Edinburgh on 19th of September. Unfortunately, there's a change to the departure time, which will now be at 15:40 and not 16:30 as previously informed. If you have any difficulty with this new departure time, please call the ticket office as soon as possible. We apologise for making this alteration, which is beyond our control. We remind you that you can only check in one piece of luggage. Also remember that we have reduced rates for parking at the airport when you book online.
Recording 2.
Hello, this is a station announcement. Mainline Rail is very sorry to announce that the 9:30 service from Cambridge to Stansted Airport is running approximately an hour late. This service is now expected at 10:30. In view of this delay, we would like to offer all ticket holders a free hot drink, which you can obtain from the cafeteria situated on platform 1. We apologise again for the delay to this service, which is because of the bad weather. That is the Stansted Express service, which is running an hour late.
Thank you. In the first recording, what is the new departure time of the flight?
It was 15 or 40.
Thank you. And what must the woman do if she has a problem?
She must make call to the ticket office.
Thank you. Saira, in the second recording, what time will the train arrive?
At 10:30.
And why is there a delay?
Due to the bad weather.
Thank you. Can I have the booklets and the pencil and paper back, please?
Very good.
Now you are going to plan something together. I would like you to imagine a friend wants to start a full-time job at a college and find a job after 1 year. First, plan and decide which college course he should do, art, science or business. Then plan and decide what to do about these things, how your friend should apply, who could help him on the course, and what advice about studying you could give. You have 2 minutes for this.
Our friend Kubai wants to start a full-time course at college and then find a job after 1 year. He is having difficulty choosing what course shall he take. So first, let's talk together about which college course he should do. Do you think any subject in arts would help him?
No, I don't think so. As far as I'm concerned, his educational background is science, so I believe it will be better for him to choose any subject in science.
Yes, you have a point there. And I believe he would not enjoy any subject in business either, since he is a science background student.
Yes, you are right. So what subject in science shall we suggest?
I think we first need to consider the amount of time he wants to spend to complete the course. He only wants to spend less than a year on the course and then find a job. So I think he should choose any IT course that can suit his needs. What do you think?
Absolutely. Don't you think IT courses such as web designing, desktop publishing in C language would be best for him?
That's exactly how I feel. So let's just move on. Let's think of the ways he can apply for this course. I think the best way to apply for this course is online. He can just simply complete the online application form on the selected college website in order to apply for this course.
Yes, it is the easiest way to apply for the course. So, do you have any ideas about the person who could help him on the course? Because at some point, I believe he would need someone help to suggest him about or guide him during the course.
What about his uncle? He is an IT expert. I'm sure he can help him on that.
Yes, you are right. Besides, his uncle is very helpful and he will be very glad to help his nephew.
Last but not least, we should suggest him to be more patient and creative, don't you think?
I couldn't agree with you more. There will be ups and downs, but only the fittest can survive. So it is very important for him to be patient and creative to overcome all the struggles that he may come across during the course.
Thank you. Now we are going to talk together about learning new skills. So talk to each other about the skills that you think are useful to learn.
Okay.
Learning a new skill is always exciting and often requires courage. I always look for the skills that can be useful in my work life. So what skills do you think are important in life?
There are many skills people want to learn today, but I think in this era of technology, people must gain some excellent computer and internet skills. Most of the companies nowadays look for these skills in employees, so it will be easier to get a job easily if you have the skills. What's your opinion on this?
Yes, I quite agree with you. It's really important to have computer and internet skills. Even coding and computer programming skills can be used in today's world because all the major companies from Google to Facebook want to hire computer programmers. So I believe these skills are very important.
I also think skills such as presentation skills and public speaking skills are very important these days because if you have the ability to communicate clearly and effectively in various situations, you are likely to become more successful in today's world.
Well, I would say problem solving skills is very important now. So do you think it is useful to have problem solving skills?
Yes, I do think it is important because the world is getting competitive day by day. So if you want to survive and face challenges, you must have these skills in order to succeed. Would you like to learn any skill in the future?
Well, I want to learn and improve my creative thinking skills. Do you think it is important to learn?
Of course, it is. Even I want to improve my creative thinking skills. It will open many doors of opportunity for me.
Yes, I think the same.
Thank you. That's the end of the test.